human. I know it's been a long time since I last uploaded my vlog, but here we have a makeup tutorial today. I know I've been procrastinating a lot in my vlogs, but I've been really productive in life. So yeah, I finally got a job after a year of looking and being a tambay. So now, here I am, back with a makeup tutorial. The No Makeup Look National ID tutorial. If you guys want to see how I did this makeup look and if successful ba akong nakapagpa-ID while wearing makeup regardless na sinabi nilang bawal, keep on watching. But before that, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video just like this one. Keep on watching. Must not cover any mole. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, there's a little mole here and there's a mole there and there's my birthmark. So we're not gonna cover that up. Now for my blush, I know it said na bawal ang blush for the national ID, but pasaway tayo. And this one is very light. Ito yung nakakababae ng color tint. This is Emma. Okay guys, so ito na yung outfit ko for the national ID. Charot, bawal daw ang sleeveless. So, yan, may prepare ako. Ito actually ang susuotin ko. Pero syempre, pag magpipicture na, kasi ang init, hindi ko kayang mag long sleeve. Ano po, ito lang yung may color ko. How to get away with makeup. Charot. Vlog ko. So, how to get away with makeup. Meron akong konting color tint, may konting blush, naka-mascara ako, and konting kelay, and a little bit of powder.
Ako pimple lang, tsaka mantika sa mukha.
Kung sisipagin akong edit, magiging vlog ito. Pero kung hindi, wala. Pang ilang vlog ko na to, na-film ko, pero dinilit ko. Kasi, indecisive piece of trash. Okay, so thank you for watching how to get away with makeup for the national ID. Ayan. Fresh lang. Ganarn. Bye!